Good afternoon, members of the Fourth Estate. I'm issuing a formal press statement this afternoon, which arise out of two reports which appeared in the Chronicle this week. The first was an article published on the 17th, entitled "Bulawayo Town Clerk Gets 1-Year Extension Amid Legal Review on Retirement Age." The second was a statement, an article issued yesterday on the 20th of November, entitled "Coltart Furious at Councillors After Town Clerk's Contract Extended." The reason for this press conference is because both of these articles are incorrect. They concern matters of great importance to the city of Bulawayo and its residents. And it's important that the correct factual position be placed before the public. Regrettably, the Chronicle did not seek clarification or comment from me or my office prior to the publication of both of these articles. I've done a very detailed statement, a factual statement, setting out the history of the matter concerning the Town Clerk's contract, which will be distributed to members of the Fourth Estate this afternoon. I'm not going to read that entire statement. It is a very detailed factual statement, but I need to point out at the beginning some of the errors contained in the Chronicle report which need to be clarified and rectified. The first is that the report of the 17th of November says that a 1-year contract of extension has been agreed to, and whilst that was proposed, there is no resolution that was ultimately passed as set out in that article. And so that article is fundamentally incorrect to the extent that no resolution has been arrived at in that regard. Regarding the second article published yesterday on the 20th, there are numerous errors in that document. For example, it says in a council meeting yesterday, namely the 19th of November 2025. There was no council meeting on the 19th of November. The last full council meeting was held on the 5th of November, and I personally did not attend any meeting of council on the 19th of November. In fact, I'm not aware of any council meeting which was held on that day. It also refers to a meeting attended by the Honourable Minister of State, Judith Ncube, and the Honourable Minister of Local Government, Daniel Gawe. No such meeting was held at which both of them attended. But the worst aspect of the report is the completely false reporting regarding the extension of the Town Clerk's contract. It purports that there was a legal resolution passed, and as set out in the statement, that is not the case. There at present is no binding legal resolution regarding the Town Clerk's extension. And in fact, what purported to be a legal meeting was in fact in breach of the Bulawayo City Council standing orders. This is clearly set out in the detailed statement I've issued today. I will not be taking questions from the press because I have issued a very detailed statement which I trust will answer all your queries regarding this matter, but most importantly, set out the current factual position concerning this matter. Let me conclude by saying that, speaking on behalf of myself and the General Purposes Committee, which comprises the chairs of all the council committees, we remain committed to finding a lawful and rational resolution to the situation, which we trust will be in the best interests of the citizens of Bulawayo. In fact, it is deeply concerning that this issue is consuming so much time when the city faces so many other challenges, including water shortages, litter, and the creation of a viable economy in the city. I thank you.